This is my bonfire. Hear it roar. Rah.
Big man, big fire.
Man, big fire. And if you're watching in America, happy bonfire night.
Happy November the 5th.
Remember, the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plots. Whoa.
And I promised I'd burn down the shed, and here it is. This is our shed on fire. Yeah. Ah, got me.
Oh, got you.
Okay. Oh, it's raining sparks.
Sparks? Cool. I like sparks.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fireworks tonight. Some really loud, annoying ones next door. Nearly 8.
That's fine.
Tonight. I'm wearing my hood because it was raining. It's not a very nice night. In fact, it's very misty and smoky. It's raining sparks. Yeah. I don't like those big ones. I don't like them loud.
What a fire though.
Yeah.
Do you want to do some action? Throwing stuff on the fire?
No. I don't want to. I want to move back from it. It's getting really hot here. I'm more than 6 feet away. And I have to move back again. It's hot.
With my scarf and hat. That's how hot it is.
Richard's taking his coat off. He's in his short sleeves. In his work clothes, in fact.
Oh yeah. It's Christmas time.
Yeah.